Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you the entire FBA product listing process from start to finish using Bookz Pro. We begin by clicking the New Session button on the listing screen and giving our session a name. Then we need to enter a ship from address. Click on Add New Address. Fill in the details, hit Create, and select the newly added address from the drop-down. Next, set the labeling method to Seller. The FNSKU request option depends on your specific needs. You can choose Bulk Send at the end for all sessions, or Send as items listed if you plan to complete the listing process in under 24 hours. The Send as items listed option is ideal for smaller single-box shipments as it speeds up the post-submission process. When you scan a Bookz barcode, the item will instantly appear on the left side of the screen. No need to click anywhere. You'll see detailed product information there. Once you select the condition and click Add to Session, the product will be listed automatically and priced according to your repricing rules. If all the products you're listing have the same condition, simply enable Auto Add, scan your items, and they'll be listed with the selected condition and condition note. This significantly speeds up the process. If you'd like to add condition notes, enter them in the condition note field. You can also create templates by clicking Add Template greater than New Template and use them later. If a product requires approval, you'll see a restricted item warning. Click Apply to go directly to Amazon and request approval. Once approved, return and proceed with listing. To set a minimum or maximum price, click on any product under View All Session Items. Enter the desired values there. You can also apply filters or right-click any price on the left to quickly set minimum or maximum values using the pop-up options. Helpful shortcuts are also available here, including the Keep a button, which is especially useful. Once you've finished listing, click Submit Session to send the products to Amazon. After submission, it takes between 20 minutes to 2 hours for Amazon to generate FNSKUs. If some items fail, Bookz Pro will flag and remove them so you can move forward with the successful ones. Based on our experience, we recommend completing the entire process within 24 hours to minimize potential errors. You can list up to 1,500 SKUs in a single session using Bookz Pro. After some time, the Accept Packing option button becomes active. If there's a yellow warning next to it, it means some items were removed from the session. Click it to view details. If you see a red warning, it indicates one or more critical issues that need user action. In most cases, removing the affected items and resubmitting solves the issue. If not, feel free to reach out to Bookz Pro Support. Click Accept Packing option, then select this to continue. After a short wait, the Continue Packing button will appear. Click it, choose your group, and then click Add Box to add a box. Now scan the barcodes again. Bookz Pro will automatically generate the FNSKU labels. Stick these labels on your products and place them in the box. To view unpacked items, click Unpacked. From there, you can click Add to Box to move products into the box and print labels again if needed. To find which box an item is in, use the Global Locator. It'll tell you exactly where the product is and allow you to transfer it to a different box if necessary. Amazon doesn't allow product deletions at this stage. If you need to remove an item, cancel the session and use the Clone Session feature to restart the process with the same items. When in doubt, contact our support team. You can also click the printer icon for any printer-related issues. On the left, you'll see weight information for each box, but we strongly recommend physically weighing each box since Amazon's estimates may be inaccurate. Click Finish Packing, enter the box dimensions, and then hit Finish. Once that's done, the Placement and Shipping Options button becomes active. Yellow warnings here won't stop you from proceeding, but if you see a red warning, reach out to support. Click Get Shipping. Quote to continue. There are two options. SPD, small parcel delivery. Shipping individual boxes via carriers like UPS. LTL, less than truckload. Palletized shipments where Amazon sends a truck to pick up the load. Most sellers with large sessions prefer LTL. In our case, we'll use SPD since it's a smaller shipment. Choose your shipping date, click Finish, and once the quote is ready, the Select Carrier button will appear. If an Amazon-partnered carrier is available, select it. If no Amazon-partnered carrier is shown, you'll need to complete the process directly on Amazon, although this is rare. If everything looks good, click Confirm Shipment. Otherwise, repeat the same steps for other options. Once the session is completed successfully, box icon on the left turns green and the Print Label button becomes active. Click Print Box Labels, choose your preferred option, and download your shipping labels. After downloading them once, you can still access them from the three-dot menu. To view session content, click Download Content File. To cancel a session, click Cancel Session. To reuse a canceled session's items, click the three dots and select Clone Session. Update the details and you're good to go. And that's the complete FBA listing workflow using Bookz Pro. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team. See you in the next video. Happy scanning!